Hey, this is Amity with another quick tip for Kingsoft Office for Windows.
Today I'm going to show you how to add an image in Kingsoft Presentation for Windows. Come up to Home and select Picture. Then find the file you'd like to appear in your slide. You can resize your image by dragging it like so, and you can move it around the slide with your cursor. You can also edit your photo by coming up here to Picture Tools. Here you have a variety of editing options, including brightness, contrast, color, and resizing. Let's crop the image. If you are not satisfied with your edits, you can always redo them. Just right-click on the image and select Format Object. Then come up to Picture and click Reset. This will revert your image back to its original settings.